Hey guys, in this video we're going to be going over one of my newest additions for my 2025 front yard cemetery haunt. This year I have ordered this Perfect Storm 2.0. It's a thunder and lightning effect. It controls like a shop light, so what I got was a 1,000-watt halogen shop light on a stand. Each one of these Perfect Storm 2.0s can handle up to 1,000 watts, so I went ahead and maxed it out with that. What comes in the box is the unit itself. It does have a CD with some thunder and lightning effects on it, but let's go over what the Perfect Storm 2.0 looks like. The Perfect Storm 2.0 by Morris Inc. It can handle up to 1,000 watts. It has a breaker, a 15 amp breaker on the back there. This is where you plug your light into that goes out to make your lightning. On the front it has the power switch, a sensitivity gauge which allows you to adjust the intensity of the sound input that the box receives to cause the lightning effect. It has an audio input, or you can just use the external microphone and set up a speaker in front of it to take in the thunder sound. Okay, I've got the shop light set up on its stand. This is sitting ready. All you have to do, you plug this into the back of the Perfect Storm 2.0, and then you get a sound or speaker of some sort input and make the thunder and lightning effect. So let's plug it up, take a look at it, and see what it looks like. 500 watts a piece. This does work better with the halogen lights. LED lights give it more of just a light switch on and off effect. With the halogen bulbs, it does have the flicker and flash like actual lightning. Okay, so I've plugged the light source into the back of the Perfect Storm 2.0. Now we're just going to turn the power on. And with it being the external mic being used right now, any sound or tapping will activate the light system. So just by something to that effect right there could actually make the lightning effect. For this first test, I'm just using some sound effects of lightning coming from my cell phone. And just the sound in front of the microphone should make the lights flash. So let me start that. Oh, that is cool. As the flicker and fade in and out. You can adjust the sensitivity on the front of the Perfect Storm 2.0 to make it more reactive to the sound or less, depending on what you're needing in the volume of your speaker. Okay. Alright, let's wait till dark. We'll turn the lights around and point it at some of my displays and see how the effect actually works at night. Pretty cool effect. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. Happy Halloween.
Inches, here they come.